In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. Dark mode, as many of you might know, is not only easier on the eyes, especially in low light settings, but it can also conserve battery life on your devices. So if you're ready to give your Slack workspace a sleek, dark makeover, follow along with me. First things first, let's open up Slack. Look over to the bottom left corner of your screen, and there you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up right away. Now from that menu, you're going to want to select Preferences. This is where all the magic happens. Once you click on Preferences, you'll be taken to a new window that has various options for you to customize your Slack experience. What you want to do next is head over to the Appearance tab, which is usually one of the first options you'll see. Now, under the Appearance settings, you'll find a section labeled Color Mode. This is key for what we're trying to achieve. You'll see a couple of options, but for dark mode, you want to click on Dark. As soon as you select that, you'll notice an instant transformation of most of your Slack interface. The background shifts to a deeper tone, and it looks significantly cooler. But wait, we're not quite done yet. If you notice that your sidebar elements, like those distinctive pink colors, haven't changed and you're aiming for a completely dark look, don't worry. There's an easy fix. Scroll down a bit more until you find the section for Theme Colors. Here, you'll be presented with various dark matching color palettes. Select one that appeals to you, and your sidebar will follow suit, enhancing that sleek, cohesive dark mode experience. Once you've made all your desired changes, you can simply close the Preferences window. And just like that, your Slack will remember your new settings, making it all ready for your next late-night project or casual chat with colleagues. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Slack. Now your workspace not only looks modern and stylish, but it's also much easier on the eyes in those dimly lit environments. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you enjoy your new dark mode setup as much as I do. If you didn't already, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks like this.